Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Port, where we tell you regarding the shipping information in the day-to-day maritime business and also regarding the shipping accident news. So today I will tell you regarding the one of the shipping accidents at the sea and what are the causes for this type of accidents. So let us discuss. One of the accident today happened at the Japanese sea cargo ship which sunk after fishing vessel was collided. Crew were rescued at the same time. General cargo ship collided with the fishing vessel north of Keelung, which is in Taiwan. Fishermen on the board were rescued. After collision, she returned to the Keelung for investigation. The collision occurred in the dense fog, so the fishing vessel would might be the possible reason for this type of collision. So now let us discuss the what are the main possible reason for an ship sinking or say collision. The first is the flooding. When the water gets inside the ship or ship gets sunk, it is called as the flooding. Second is the grounding and collision. Third is the loss of stability. Fourth is the poor weather conditions. Fifth is the negligence or the human error, which might be the possible reason for a ship sinking. Seventh is an faulty equipment. The next is the improper maintenance of the ship. The next is the wartime casualties. And the last one is the dock mishap or say while the mishap during the maneuvering of the ship at port side or at anchorage or the channel. So these were the main possible reason of the ship sinking. I hope you like these incidents with the possible reason for the ship sinking. Do share it with your friend and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.